Hi, in this video for my Inkscape beginner's guide, I want to talk about the clip option that you can find in the object menu, and this is a very useful option. I used it in my previous tutorial where I showed you how to create a peeled sticker effect, and now I want to talk about it in more detail. I'm going to start by creating a circle, and I'm going to change its color to red, and I'm also going to create a rectangle, and I'm going to change the color to green. I'm going to grab the select and transform tool and position this rectangle over the circle so the two objects overlap a little bit. Most important thing you need to know about this option is that the object that it's higher in the stack defines the shape, and the object that is lower in the stack defines the content. It's a little bit like the path intersection option, but not exactly. So once again, the green rectangle, which is above the circle, where it overlaps with the circle, this is going to define the shape, and the content will be taken from the circle. So we're gonna end up with the red object with this shape. So let's select both objects, go to object, clip, set, and you see how this looks. I'm going to use Ctrl Z to undo this, and good thing about this option is that it works with all kinds of objects. It works with rectangles, circles, polygons, it works with text objects, also with bitmaps that you import in Inkscape. It also works when you use the Bezier tool to create a path. You can use it to clip. So let's try it with a text object, and then we're gonna try it with a bitmap image that I've imported here, and also I'm going to show you one of the most useful applications of this option, and that is to clip blurred objects. So let's first try it with a text. Select the text tool, and I'm going to type Inkscape. F1 for the select and transform tool. Let's make this text bigger. And now I'm going to grab the circle, place it around here, and then I'm going to adjust it. I'll make an ellipse, and I'm going to position it here, and then I'll use this option to put the circle above the text, and then I'll select both objects, go to the object menu, clip, set, and you see how this looks. Now let's try it with a digital photo. I have already imported one here just by dragging and dropping the image in Inkscape. You can also do that by going to the file menu, import, and then this time I'm going to use this create stars and polygons tool. Click and drag here, F1 for the select and transform, place this star, and this star is going to define the shape. Next, holding down the shift key, I'm going to select the image, go to object, clip, set, and you see how this looks. Next, let's see how we can clip blurred objects. I'm going to select this rectangle, Ctrl D to duplicate it, then start the fill and stroke tool. I'm going to remove the fill, add a stroke, flat color, black, then go to the stroke style, and here for the width I'll type 50, and then I'm going to add a blur, for example 6. Next, Ctrl D to duplicate this, and now we don't even need to remove the blur from this object. We can just select them all and go to object, clip, set, and you see now we have blur only inside of the green rectangle, and this is very useful when you try to create different effects. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope that it was useful. If it was, like the video, leave a comment, and if you're new to my tutorials, subscribe, visit my channel for more, and that's it for now. Bye.